Here I have KRUGER Matz Flow 5 and let me show you how to reset DRM license on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's tap Apps icon, find and select the settings, scroll down and simply choose Backup and Reset. It's located under Personal tab. Here you need to choose DRM Reset and tap DRM Reset again. So if you are aware that this operation will delete all of the license on this device, all of the DRM license, let's tap OK. That's it, license have been deleted successfully. You can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.